Hey guys, so I'm back with these tie-dye nails. I painted these using the Barry High Vis range, the new one. I used these polishes in my Neon Fruits video, so please check that out as well. But I wanted to see how well they stamped, so I wanted to use the new tie-dye plate from Moya London. So enough babbling and let's paint these nails. So I started off with painting my nails white. And then with my Moya London Trend Hunter, yeah, it's Trend Hunter, and several colours from the High Vis range, I'm just creating a gradient stamp with the colours. So I'm just applying them down there and then swiping them together to blend and then stamping. And I applied that to all of my nails. Then once I had my cool funky base, I just used that same plate and just stamped the peace sign. And then with that same plate, I just stamped the little flower because it was cute. And stamp that straight on my nail. And then with the other flower, I stamped that too because it was cute. And that one went on my pinky nail. And then for my ring nail, I wanted to try and fit both of the text on there. So here I am just stamping the one that says peace. And then below that, I just stamped this one that says love. And then once I was happy, I just used a brush and acetone to clean up around my nail. And then applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these tie-dye nails. I think these are super cute and perfect for summer. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe are good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!